See, I think, this government, be that Home Minister Amit Shah or the State Chief Minister, they have been speaking so many things, and it's contradicting one statement with the another, and it is creating a confusion rather than giving a clarity. When the minister or the people who are in the helm of affairs, when they speak, normally you have a clarity after listening to them. But what right from the day one when this began, they have been making a lot of statements. Sometimes they say terrorism is involved, narco-terrorism and so on, and then one will say that there is no terrorism. Sometimes they say foreign elements are involved and sometimes they don't involve. So they keep on saying so many confusing things. Sometimes they said it is not between two communities. Bolega ki this is a conflict between the illegal immigrants, narco-terrorists with the government. Sometimes they say this is two ethnic groups, so बातचीत शुरू करेंगे दोनों में, will conversation. So they have been making. So what is the nature of the problem is not even clear in their true statement. Even this statement, normalcy has come back. You check the statements. All of them have been saying this since last August. You see that it is consistent. In fact, the dialogue is remained. In terms of normalcy has returned, but when, if you remember during this no confidence motion in the parliament, the Prime Minister said that the normalcy is returned. That time according to some reports, the number of people who were dislocated or who were rendered homeless was barely around 37,000 last August, and it reached around 60,000. So normalcy aa gaya. When you make this statement in August, things have changed, 37,000 homeless to 60,000. So they have been saying like this. So this is the first thing that I think one must understand, that they have been making a lot of contradictory statements and so on, which is not in tune with the ground reality. The second part is these statements, as I sense it, is not only making people confused, but also seems to be deliberate in one sense, to downplay or underplay the gravity of the situations and the nature of the conflict, or the nature of the crisis, to be more precise. It clearly tells you that they don't have a very clear pictures of the nature of the crisis itself.